I thought they were all gone. Let me go show it to my friends. Look, you guys, look. It's a leaf. It's not from plastic. It's not from fake top. I just found it lying there.
Are you serious? Real leaves still exist?
Why not? Just look at it.
I thought that was just a story.
Wait, yeah, this actually does remind me of something.
I'm tired.
So am I. Let's go and sit.
Yeah.
You know what? My grandparents told me that they had a neem tree in front of their house. They used to sit under it every evening. But now there's just cement.
My grandparents and grandmother told me that they used to make swings out of old saris tied to branches. Trees were everywhere. Now there's just walls and pools.
My grandmother and grandfather pressed autumn leaves into books. They said tree used to change colors, but I've never seen that.
But we still have this leaf. Then maybe not everything's lost. Not yet.
Yes.
Maybe.
This tree taking up so much space. If we clear it, we can build a bigger classroom. Or maybe even a sports area. I mean, what's more important? A plant or progress?
I swear this smoke is like so gross. But like no one turns off the engine. And even if I complain to these people, they just roll their eyes. So what's the point of saying anything?
Take pass. Yeah, guys, let's stop. It's very hot. Let's play some other day. This heat is unreal. It wasn't like this last year or the year before. Every summer just gets worse. But hey, what can we even do? It's the weather, not something we can control. Exactly.
It was such a fun game.
I know, right? Want some?
No.
By the way, why do people make such a big deal about plastic? It's everywhere. This one wrapper won't change anything.
Yes,
the
you're
staff
right.
will pick it up. That's their job.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just washing my hands.
What about the tap?
Chill, yaar. It's not like we live in a desert or something.
Okay.
Keep talking about how things used to be. But what are we even doing now?
We watched it all happen. Trees, water, smoke, heat, and we just let it slide.
If no one else is doing anything, maybe it has to be us.
Let's go for it.
Maybe it wasn't our mess, but it's still our Mother Earth.
Did you hear something?
Yes. Every drop saved is a future protected.
And I don't know why people don't value water.
Yes, you are right.
Stop! If we cut 10, we have to plant 20. We should protect these instead of cutting them. Why? We have to secure a future for our youth. So what should we do? We should plant a sapling instead.
Let's do it.
Speaking against this pollution.
If no one's speaking up, then it has to be us. No engines, no cars, no pollution. No engines, no cars, no pollution.
Can't undo what's been done, but we can choose what comes next.
We have made mistakes.
But we've learned from them.
For every drop we wasted,
For every wrapper we ignored and for every breath we struggled for.
We have to take responsibility now. We pledge to protect our planet, to act with care, to speak up, to change what we can, and inspire others to do the same. Starting now, starting with us.